My name is Avery, I play volleyball, and I use my quadriceps and deltoids. The deltoids are located in the uppermost part of the arm and shoulder, originating at the scapular spine and clavicle and inserting into the humerus. The deltoid muscle is named for its approximately triangular shape, primarily serving to abduct the humerus, or in the case of volleyball, to assist shoulder movements like flexion to pass the ball. The quadriceps are a muscle group of 4 muscles of the anterior leg or thigh. The rectus femoris originates at the coxal bone, while the vastus lateralis, vastus medialis, and vastus intermedius all originate at the femur. All 4 muscles insert into the tibia via the patellar tendon, functioning to extend the knee, providing the explosive force needed for jumping when going up to hit the ball. Rectus is named for its direction, vastus for its size, and femoris lateralis, medialis, and intermedius are named because of their locations.
My name is Skylar and I do long jump, so I use my gastrocnemius and my orbicularis oculi. The gastrocnemius is a large muscle located in the posterior part of the lower leg, forming the bulk of the calf. It is named for its belly-like shape and location, which is the leg. It originates at the distal femur and inserts the calcaneus through the Achilles tendon. Its primary functions are the plantar flex of the foot and the flexion of the knee, which is the crucial muscle for long jump because it allows running and jumping. The orbicularis oculi is a muscle circling the eye, named for its shape. Orbicularis meaning the circular for its location. Its origin is the frontal bone and maxilla, and it inserts into the tissue around the eye. Its primary action is to blink and close the eye, which is essential to protecting the eye when I jump.
My name is Luke, and in football I use my gluteus maximus, biceps, and frontalis. The biceps brachii is located on the anterior side of the upper arm. The biceps originate at the scapula of the shoulder girdle and insert into the proximal radius, acting to flex the elbow or supinate the forearm. In football, we work out our biceps with lifting exercises to improve upper body strength. The biceps are named for their number of origins. Gluteus maximus is located in the buttocks, named for its location and size. This muscle originates at the sacrum and ilium of the coxal bone. Inserting into the proximal femur, it acts to extend the hip, aiding in running and the explosiveness of pushing an opponent. Frontalis is a muscle located in the forehead, getting its name from its location overlying the frontal bone. It originates from your cranial aponeurosis and inserts into the skin of the eyebrows, acting to raise your eyebrows, or in the case of football, to concentrate or react to the game.
I'm m.adden, I play baseball, and I use my brachioradialis and masseter. Brachioradialis is found on the lateral and thumb side of the forearm. It is named for its location, with brachio meaning arm and radialis coming from radius. The masseter is a muscle located in the jaw area, getting its name from its action. It originates from zygomatic bone and inserts into the mandible, functioning to close the jaw or chew during the game, as I chew on sunflower seeds and gum.
I'm Luke, and I also do shot put, and I use my pectoralis major and trapezius. The trapezius is named for its diamond shape, a muscle of the upper back. Its origin is the occipital bone as well as the cervical and thoracic vertebrae. Inserting into the scapular spine and clavicle, it functions to extend the neck and head and to elevate, depress, and adduct the scapula. This helps to forcefully project the shot put. The pectoralis major is the large muscle of the breast area working to adduct and flex the humerus, which in shot put we use to throw through flexion. It originates at the sternum and clavicle and first to sixth ribs and inserts into the proximal humerus. It gets its name from the Latin word pectus, meaning chest, so location and size for major.
Tell me about it.
Go.
I'm Kylie. I play flag football and use my hamstrings, triceps, and buccinator. The hamstrings are a muscle group of 3 muscles of the posterior leg or thigh. The biceps femoris, semitendinosus, and semimembranosus originate at the ischial tuberosity of the coxal bone. All 3 muscles insert into the tibia, but the biceps femoris also insert into the fibula. The hamstrings function to flex the knee and extend the hip, allowing me to run and change direction to evade opponents. Biceps refer to the muscle's point of origin. Femoris refers to the femur, highlighting and location, and semitendinosus and semimembranosus are named for their appearance or structure. The triceps brachii is located on the posterior side of the upper arm, named for its number of origins. The triceps originate at the shoulder girdle and proximal humerus and insert into the ulna, acting to extend the elbow. In flag football, we use the extension of the triceps to throw the ball. The buccinator is a thin, flat muscle located in the cheek area of the face. This muscle gets its name from the action of pushing air, such as playing the trumpet. The buccinator originates at the maxilla and mandible, inserting into the orbicularis oris, primarily functioning to compress the cheek like on water breaks when I'm drinking water out of my straw.